Sorry naman. Ay, putak na. Ay, hindi ba? Kala ko kasi addict na. Nagsuklay ako dito sa bed ko. Ang dami pong ano. Okay. Tanga. Bitanda ka din. I'm removing something. Hello sa Jid. In ano, Rika. Thank you, Awais. Para kang tanga. Yeah, Enrica. Ang kalabang ka. Kalaban ng putek. Kampay Nisa. Okay. Class volume siya. Night Market Union. You mean next to Algoret? Which one? Triple. We're neighbor. Ay, pagtam. Nasa mga buhok ko? I need 2 girls work office. I don't know how to work in office. Salary 6,000. Oh, perfect. You can hire me. You are CBS and sufficient. Oh, it's walk-in interview. Stop and reject carrot. No, I don't know that. I feel like I miss something. May nagsuklay kasi ako din eh. Yung buhok ko ay nasa ano? No, I don't know that. Eh, bakit ka nanonood? Ibarra. Alam mo, may inaalis ako. Ang kulit ko. Humanity Maintenance and General Contracting Office. What's the location? Where's the location? Kakainis kasi yung mga buhok. Suklay-suklay kasi ako din kanina. Isa rin naman ako. I'm from Philippines. It's far from me naman, Abu Dhabi. I'm in Dubai. Kasi natapad nga kasi ako bumaba. Bakit ba Ibarra? Bakit? Thank you. No, I don't know you. Who are you? I need to go to the office in Abu Dhabi.